Hi, I'm Patrick Steininger, president of Sko-Die. Sko-Die, founded in 1947, is a custom metal stamper and manufacturer located here in Morton Grove, Illinois, which is just north of Chicago. We're housed in about 65,000 square foot facility here, and from concept to production, we deliver trusted manufacturing excellence. Come on in, I'd like to give you a tour.
Sko-Die was started in 1947 by my grandfather, Joseph Steininger, along with two partners. It started as a small die shop, and in time, they added punch presses to stamp parts to complement their die making. The company grew, and in 1957, my father, Richard Steininger, joined the company as an apprentice tool and die maker. Richard progressed at the company, and in 1984 became company president. He did an outstanding job as president, and he tripled sales while expanding the facility from 1984 to 2002.
In 1984, I joined Sko-Die and progressed through the company and became company president in 2002.
In 2014, my son Kyle also joined Sko-Die and became the fourth generation Steininger ready to build his career in the metal stamping industry. In today's economy, companies must have the best people and equipment in order to succeed. Our average employee tenure of over 16 years is a key component to providing exceptional customer service. Sko-Die reinvests a large portion of the profits the company makes back into the business. It all begins with engineering and design. Our team has over 120 years combined experience at Sko-Die. Using programs such as SolidWorks, our engineers have the tools they need for quality tooling and fixture design work. Sko-Die has a complete tool room and hoist system. All new construction, maintenance, assembly, and sharpening is done in this facility. EDM and CNC machining are two areas that Sko-Die has developed in order to provide the quality tooling our customers need. All types of dies are produced at Sko-Die, including high-speed progressive, compound, and notching. Roughly 1/3 of our facility houses high-speed straight-side punch presses, running mostly progressive tooling over 200 strokes per minute. Another section of our facility houses punch presses from 176 tons to 300 tons and runs all of our compound dies and other progressive tools. In 2014, we added another 4,000 square foot addition, specially designed to hold our new 440-ton press. Sko-Die specializes in the production of electrical steel laminations and is continually expanding our notching capacity. Sko-Die now has two state-of-the-art robotic notching presses running over 1,000 strokes per minute. Sko-Die offers many value-added services, including stacking, kitting, annealing, and heat treating, so our customers can rely on us for all their needs. For production of prototype parts or for small production quantities, our laser cutting center has machines up to 4,000 watts to cut parts from 10 thousandths to 400 thousandths thick. Our welding area can handle higher production quantities with our robotic welding center. For larger cores, manual welding is available. Sko-Die recognizes that a quality manufactured product must be backed by distribution systems that are world-class.
I hope you enjoyed the tour. We truly look forward for the opportunity to work with you.